Before we start this video, I just want to go ahead and say we're going to be having a subscriber giveaway as soon as we get to 200 subscribers. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the channel just so we can get to 200 so we can give away an Amazon gift card. Also, I really hope you like this content because we're going to have plenty of it coming out very soon. And yeah, go ahead and enjoy the video, you guys. Yo, what's everybody? What's up, everybody? We're back for another day at the vlogs. This is gonna be a short one. This wasn't a video I was planning to shoot today, or hopefully ever, but it's happening. Apollo was down. Last night, she was in an accident. Now today, it's time to go. I just filed the claim and I gotta go drop her off now, and it's super unfortunate, to be honest. Nobody was hurt or anything like that, but she's down and she's hurt, so yeah, let's go take a look at her really quick. So here she is. I don't know if you can see all of that. Well, this right here you can definitely see. This bumper is going to need to be 100% replaced no matter what. All the way around, this whole bumper is completely just devastated. I don't even know if you could see it in the camera very well. You probably can, but the side marker is gone right there. This was actually worse last night, but this was bent in, and then this one hit through the crash bar and it's all cracked up right here. It's completely scratched all across this, all across the hood. This A-pillar got damaged. Goes all the way up. This whole roof needs to be repainted. The side of the car, it's missing a mirror. So down the side, goes all the way out. It's scratched all the way right here. Got worse. The wheels more messed up. And it hit this bumper right here. Also went down the back, scratched right here. This side wasn't too bad, but it did get scratches. You can see just small scratches right there. Right there. Up this A-pillar. Up here up top with the A-pillar, that's dented right there too, and right here, this happened just last night after I made the video, after I shot the video for the for the air filters and stuff. This literally happened the exact same day. Basically all of those scratches came from fencing. It freaking sucked. Like, it sucks, to be honest. I love this car. I absolutely love this car, and for it to look like this and be like this now, the whole body needs a respray. Some of the parts need to be redone. From what I know, mechanically it's sound. Honestly, that body work alone is going to be extremely expensive. So I really hope that it doesn't get totaled out, because I don't know what I'm going to do at that point, because I love this car. I wasn't really planning on getting another car until the new 86 or the new BRZ came out in July 2021. So this would leave me without a car for a little over a year. Let's go ahead and head over to the place where we will go. Just hit 60,000 miles on her too a few days ago. Happy 60,000 miles, Apollo. Sorry I crashed you for your I'm not gonna say birthday, but 60,000 miles day. All right, looks like we're just about here. Caliber Collision. So yeah, let's go in there. Just dropped it off. Now I'm taking a hike. It's freaking sucks, but they said just by looking at it right then and there, the damage was like $8 grand before even taking anything apart. So they're gonna go ahead and take it apart, and then they're gonna go ahead and finish their estimate I guess I'll find out tomorrow if I'm getting totaled. And they said it's getting really close to the threshold, so yeah. Such a small wing for a fat car. Oh my God. I guess at least he has a car, rather than my ass just hiking downtown San Jose. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the video. Pretty much have no desire to keep going today. I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. If you guys like car content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We'll see if we'll still have FRS content, or if we'll have to get another car and do some content on that until the new 86 comes out. I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.